Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nora Shiki binti Jalani, PC 19119. I from group 13. I will present and propose research title. The research title about employee behavior in the private sector is affected by the leadership style of the company executive. So the group members is Muhammad Amirul Aiman bin Hairul Nizam, Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Zaid, Ahmad Muhaimin bin Muhammad Rozi, Alif Hazmi bin Abdul Razi. So I will pass for the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, next I will talk about problem statement, research objective and research question. Problem statement is about employee behavior in the private sector is affected by the leadership style of the company's executive. This topic are focus of the study problem about employee behavior. There are four main issues that can we see in problem statement. First, choose leadership style. Next, type of leadership style. Next, individual behavior style. And last, job performance. These are research problems suggest employees' attitude toward their leaders and performance are influenced by leadership style. First, empirical evidence from Pakistan Bank. Second, the impact of previous leadership experience on desired leadership characteristic. Next, the role of job happiness and quality of life in the link between spiritual leadership and employee performance. The impact of leadership style on the success of Kenyan state business. Next I will talk about research of objective. First, to determine the impact of democratic leadership style on employee behavior. Second, to determine the impact of autocratic leadership style on employee behaviors. Third, to determine the impact of laissez-faire leadership style on employee behavior. And last, to determine the impact of leadership style in the employee behavior. For the research question, first, what kind of management leadership have used in a business will have an impact on the performance of worker in the private sector according to research problem. Next, what's the impact of a leader style on the interpersonal relationship among employees? And third, what are the factors influence leadership style in the private sector and how do they interfere with the delivery of high quality work? And lastly, what is the impact of leadership style on avoiding employee difficult improving the overall quality of work in the private sector?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Zaid, PC 19100. I will present about literature discover rate. 1 introduction. 2 overview organizational environmental of leadership. 3 overview effect of leadership style. 4 overview of employees behavior. 4.1 relationship between leadership style and employee behavior. 4.2 relationship between leadership style and quality of work. 4.3 relationship between employee behavior and quality of work. 4.4 interrelationship between leadership style, employees behavior and quality of work. 4.5 the behavior of employees. 4.6 the relationship between employees. 4.7 leadership style to avoid employees problem. 5 research framework. 5.1 conceptual framework. 6 research hypothesis. 7 chapter summary. 8 reference. Next, This is a structural equation modeling. OCB, short form for Organizational Citizenship Behavior Environment, and ELS for Environmental Leadership and Support. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Wahmi Memok Rozi, PB19142. I want to talk about what we did conduct reliability and validity. Construct the validity degree to see if a test instrument's result truly reflect the numerous dimensions it's trying to examine. There are three type of validity evidence. First is construct validity along with content and collection validity. What we did is construct validity. It's used to analyze a specific concept. Population and sample. Population of study, what our group did is private sector employees. Sampling frame, simple random sampling. All private sector employees are given an equal probability to be selected. The technique and step what we did online survey. It's allow research to collect data, separate lowers and costs are needed, and share the survey to the private sector employees through WhatsApp or Facebook. The dominant sampling model, regret structure model indicator as several methods of assessing the same construct. Look at figure 1, show the past model of the effect environmental leadership. It shows that the more independent of variable, the huge the impact of the dependent variable will be.
Is conceptual framework. Conceptual framework is the research on model instructing variable that specify the problem and give the direction to the study. It may be an adaptation of a model in a early theory with modification to suit the inquiry. This research hypothesis. Democratic leadership has been shown to greatly improve employee behavior. Next, autocratic leadership has been shown to greatly improve employee behavior. Next, a laissez-faire leadership has been shown to greatly improve employee behavior. The data analysis technique is regression analysis. That's all for me. Thank you.